as many persons as possible. All right, Cassidy, I see you have your hand up. You got to begin. I'm excited to guys. Go ahead, so, go ahead, Cassidy. Let me check somebody else. Cassidy, no answer. I'm not hearing Cassidy. I don't know if what's
Oh, sorry,
happening.
sir. Sorry.
All right, go ahead.
So number one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it says, which of the following statements is true? It couldn't be 3 is a multiple of 9 because it couldn't be a multiple because 3 is smaller than 9, right? And it says, and then B says 3 is not an integer. That is not true because 3 is an integer. It says C says 9 is a prime number. 9 is not a prime number because it has more than 2 factors. And then the answer would be D because 9 is a factor of 9 because one of the factors of a number is itself.
So what's the answer? All right,
D for dog.
very cool. Guys, sorry for the late start. Every marathon, guys, I hope the next year parents don't do me like that. Parents, no matter what I advertise, and I say, guys, I will be in class all day. I won't be able to be answering calls. Persons still wait last minute. That's not good. All right, let's go. So that would be correct. And it says, which of the following set of number contains all the factors of 20? So we have to know all the factors, right? Let's see if I can get Chelsea. Go ahead, Chelsea. All right, she's
Sir,
in. Go ahead. Number two,
sir, sir, I chose B
reason for D.
because one can go into 20, two can go into 20, four can go into 20, five can also, and 10 and 20.
All right, very good. So I agree with that. All right, let's move on to three. It says, what is 4 raised to the third power? I saw this as part of the syllabus coming up. They said you will be tested on some form of exponential this year. So let's see if it works out like that. All right. Okay, Azaria, no problem. Zaria, no problem. Look everyone. No. It's rough. It's rough. Oh, Mina, you're on. All right, finally. All right. Let me put somebody on the floor. Anjan Baram is one to go. Go ahead, Baram.
Sir, sir, you would find it out, sir, by multiplying 4 3 times, sir. So 4 times 4 equals 16, and 16 times 4 equals 64. So, sir, I got D.
Very good. So, guys, as he said, when a number is raised to the power, it means that number multiplied by itself that number of times, right? So that would be 4 times 4 give us 16, and then of course, very good. Jaden, remember to put the number. Persons are not putting in the number. Good job. All right, what's the square root of 121? No, somebody say if they can join with Google Meet. Jesus. That's why them not get on. Ah, that's why some people not getting on. You just realize it. Oh, wow. All right, guys. They have my full attention now. I see why they were not getting on. They were trying to use Google Meet. But if I say Zoom and I gave you the code, we should know, man. You're right, guys, to make it easier, just type in your answer. Like, don't send a picture. Like how Alia put it, I can look at it on my screen and say correct. I don't have to open it. When I take the picture, it's a problem. Somebody said they did that too. Guys, we stress when you say that, Correct, Anjuan, Baram. Good job. Correct, Israel. That's the next person.
Okay, sir. The answer I got for number 4 is A. This is because it asks this: what does the 112 square root equals? So, sir, to find out that, we're going to divide it by a common factor, sir, and I divided it by 11. And the word squared means the number multiple times itself. So, sir, 11 times 11, you're going to get 121. So the square root of 121 is 11.
Yeah, very good. So guys, think about it. Square root mean what number? I think Imani did a very good job on it. She said what number multiplied by itself that will give you 121 and only 11, right? That's the only number apart from minus 11. But we're not doing that now. When we're in high school, we do that. So that would be correct. A few persons chose this. I'm not sure why. I think you guys doubled the number, but it's not doubled, all right? Few persons chose D. So it means what number multiplied by itself give you this number. We can skip out that one here. Let's skip out that one. What number 6? The number 6 there. We can ignore number 5, all right? We don't have to do that one. Number 6. What is 3.2 times 10 to the third power? 3.2 times 10 to the third power. I'm feeling more settled now, guys. So let's go. Yeah, Miller, I agree. Kylie as well. Katina as well. Why Elron say if I'm not keeping class? Why is he not on? Correct, Richie. Correct, Mia. Correct, Elron. Correct, Imani. Correct, Kira. Kesania, good job. Guys, remember, just send the work, the something there, alright? Katina, don't send the picture. Andron, agree. Hardy, agree as well. What about the new students? Where are you guys sending? Because I'm not seeing any new number text me. Oh, guys, for the new person, let me just talk to them little guys. Because what we do, we send it to the WhatsApp so I can look at it up front. So this is my number. Ask mommy or daddy if you assist me. And you send it to this number. All right, Jermaine. Aisha, we already did number. We passed it. We're not gonna do that one. All right, Ramesh. Asia, I'm in a marathon right now. All right, Kira. So if you want to learn some maths, that's what I'm about. All right, Jazz. Kamari and Henry, Deandra, Poole, correct. Alia, Jake one, good job. Somebody say me I ignore them answer, and I know me don't see the answer. Yeah, Joshua, that's correct. All right, let's put somebody on the floor now. Provost, your name come up next. Deshaun, I see you have your hand up as well. Let's hear from Provost now. Go ahead, Provost.
So yes, sir. My answer would be D. The reason why is because it says 3.2 times 10 to the third power. So that means the first thing you would have to do is times 10 3 times. Which would have given you 1,000.
Very good.
So then that means because 1,000 have 3 zeros, you would only have to, because it's 3.2, that means because 2 is in the tens place, you would only add 2 zeros. That means 3 would have been in the ones place, 2 would have been in the tens place, the first 0 would have been in the hundredths place, and the next 0 would have been in the thousands place.
Guys, persons are still joining. Just to add to what Provost said, guys, you move the decimal point 3 places. She didn't say that, but she got it correct, right? So what it is, we move it 3 times. 1, 2, 3, based on the number of zeros. Guys, I see you trying number 7. We don't need to try 7, all right? Because it deal with negative. That's not on your syllabus. Yeah, Cassandra, that is. All right. So the answer would be D. A few persons had chosen what was it? 3,000. It's actually D, guys. Read. Put the number beside it as well, all right? So you don't just put DRA, put like for example, put number 6 and then you put the number. Alright, so we're on to number 9. Decimal. Decimal is a must. It says solve 1 plus 0.5 plus 0.6 minus 0.3. That's a whole lot of work. But go ahead and do it. Huh? So solve 1 plus 0.5 plus 0.6, 0.06 rather, minus 0.3. That will be the answer for that. So we're on to number 9, all right? And this is the decimal segment, guys. All right, Kyle. For number 9. Agree, Rasheen. Who forgot the name, Kyle? Deandra as well, Sakina as well, Fantasia as well, Asia as well, Raji, Jaquan. Check this one. Correct, Alia. Omarian Henry correct. Andron correct. The 593, you have to text me a number here, 593. I'm not sure who that is. But you got the correct response. Latania correct. Mia correct. Katia correct. Brian, text it, Brian. Don't send the book, please. Akara correct. Shoshana correct. Yesenia, check yours. Correct, Chelsea. Shaheen, check yours. Correct, Mekai. Correct, Audi. What about the others? Correct, Jermaine. Raheem say I just joined. Welcome, Raheem. We're at number 9. Oh, it's Kiandra. Alright, so it's Kiandra this. Okay. Wait, let me see if it's Kiandra. Correct, Rashanti. Who is Norman again? I think that's Jermaine. Sir Kylie say you didn't call my name. Kylie, because you're taking the pic, man. Just type it in so you can run across the screen. That's correct. Oh, that's Shani. All right, good job, Shani. Kiona correct. Israel correct. Azaria correct. Jeremiah correct. So I got D, which is Munchi. Who's that? I don't know who's that. Barry, text it in here. So instead of doing it like that, because it's causing a problem when I have to open. Just type it in. Let me show you. Like 9, like that. Just type it like that. All right, good job. Let me see if we can put somebody on the floor. Say your name. That's how you pronounce it. Say your name. Altia correct. Somebody named Unbothered correct as well. This one is a little bit off. Daniela Thompson, go ahead.
Sir, my answer is D, 1.26, because when you add 1 plus 0.5, you get 1.5, and 1.5 plus 0.06 is 1.56.
0.06. And you say get 1.56.
And then you subtract the 0.3 from the 1.56, you would have 1.26, because 6 from 0 is 6, 2, yeah.
That's all right. It didn't explain everything, but guys, yeah, basically, right? It seems a little bit lazy. All right, so this is the 1.26. Very good. So you add all of them first. I like that he did that, and then you subtract. Remember, guys, the rule says decimal point must be placed on a decimal point. When you're adding, you're joining, when you're adding and subtracting. There's a different rule when you are multiplying and dividing. We already discussed that already. All right. So let's move on to number 10.
I was actually working out the other question.
It's fine, Daniel. It's not a problem. That's what I expect you guys to do. Work it out, right? Nothing's wrong with that one. One thing with me, guys, I never rush my students. Of course, I will go over class later, but I won't rush you into the answer or anything like that. Maths take time. All right, this one, Sanjay. 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 Save that number there. All right, so we're on to number 10. Agree, Kylie. Agree, Katrina Harris. Those two persons completed already. Correct Mia for number 10. Guys, remember to put your name. The first text I said, if you text me for the very first time, Just text your name so I can save it so I can identify you by your name. Correct Sakina, correct Spencer. Yeah, go on good enough, guys. I love it. I love it. So this is Keandra. Keandra says, sir, can I explain this one? All right, guys. So we're gonna give Keandra. Somebody said there's no definite answer. Guys, the answer is there. So work it out. It is there, all right? That person that sent me that. Correct, Kesania. Correct, Asia. Keandra, correct. It's actually there. The answer is there. So check if I made an error. All right. It's actually there. Israel, you're calling me. Why Israel on the class I'm calling? Yeah, Israel, that one correct as well. Correct, Khalifa. Mela, put the letter them, you know. Combine A11, no notions. Oh, don't buy 11. Put the number first, here. Put the number first. You're confused. Put the number then the something. Because me just realize what. Just put 10. If I think it's A, put 10A. If I think it's B, correct, J1. Christopher, type in the answer, alright? The picture kind of slow. It's taking a while to load. So just type it in. I know usually I say send the picture, but because of this nature, you can actually text it like that, alright? Just type it, text it in your phone. You're the Marcus, you're the Andrew. I don't know. This is my good friend. I don't remember her name. Correct as well. Alright. Let's put someone on the floor for number 10. Go ahead, Demarcus. Not hearing. This is
Sir,
okay.
the question says a customer has $233 and
Oh
20.
no, wait, Keandra. All right. No, maybe forgot. That's why I put it here to remember. Hold on, I made a mistake. So sorry, but I'll catch on fast. I saw it was supposed to be Keandra. So sorry, Benny. All right.
So I can do the next one.
Yeah, man. That's what I'm gonna do.
Okay.
Go ahead, Keandra. I'm so sorry. I messed up.
It's okay, sir.
Mm-hmm. That's why I put the K in, because I know I might forget. But as Benny said something, I mean, I go right, I saw it. Go ahead.
Okay, so number 10, a customer has $233.21 in his bank account. He pays in. So in is adding. So he pays in $78.90 and transfers $55.75 to a friend. How much money will be left in the account? You're going to add $233.21 to $78.90, which
Do it step by step. Nobody tell me total. Just the, like I say, 1 plus 0, 1. Just
oh
walk us through it. So if somebody don't understand, they can get it from you. You're a teacher now, so go ahead.
okay. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So you can subtract You can't subtract the. Hold on, sir. Okay, so you're going to borrow from the 2. So you're going to cross out the 2 and put 1. No, sir, at the front. At the front,
Here?
sir. No, sir.
Alright, well, okay, start. Because I got lost in what you were saying. So, yeah, forgive me, please.
Okay, sir. So
Read it again and
200.
then read it again and go over. Just, yeah, let me try to follow. Because I'm doing what you say I should do. Go ahead.
So you're going to add 233.21 cents plus $78.90. You're going to 1 plus 0 is 1. So where the 233, you're going to cross out the 2 in the hundreds place.
Please.
Alright, sorry, sir. So 9 plus 2 is 10. 9 plus 2 is 11. So you're going to put the 11 under the.
Press your present. You can relax, man. Just relax. Alright, go ahead.
We carry over the 1. Then 8 plus 3, 11. And then 11 plus 1 is 12. So you put the 12 under the 8. The 2 under the 8. And then you put the 1 over the next side, which is 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. You're going to put the 1 under the 7 and the 1 over the 2, where the 2 is. So then 2 plus 1 is 3. So, sir, put the point between the 2 and the 1. Yes. So then it says, and transfers, then it says transfers 55.75 to a friend. So you're going to write the 55 under the 12, point the 75 under the 11. Now we're going to subtract because it says so then you're going to cancel, then you're going to, so you're going to cross out the 3. You're going to cross out the 3 and then you're going to put 2. Then you're going to put 1 on the 1. Then you're going to cross it out and put 10 at the top. Sir, put the 1 beside the 1 at the top. Then you're going to cross out and put 10. Then you're going to put 1 beside the 2. Then you're going to cross it out and put 11. Then you're going to put 1 beside the 1, cross it out and put 10. Then you're going to put 1 beside the 1 and cross it out and put 10 again. So now we're going to subtract. You're going to put 5 under the 10. Then you're going to put 3 under the 7. Then you're going to put 6 under the 5. Then you're going to put 5 under the 10. Then you're going to put the 2 because 2 subtracted by 0 is 2. Oh, sir, I made a mistake. Oh my God.
No, man, relax. Fix it. Can't fix a mistake. Come on, you found it. It's fine, man. You don't have to be nervous. None of us is perfect. All right, hold on.
All right, sir, thank you. I shouldn't cross out the 11 at the end. So you're going to subtract the 11 from the 5 from the 11, and you're going to put 6 under it. So that's your answer. That's how you get 256.36.
Yeah. All right. Good job. It's correct. Somebody said I have a different approach, so I'm gonna quickly see if I can find that person. Thing is, I don't know that person's name. So let's see if we can find. See, I have to know your name, guys. I'm just give an next person of the hand of a quick opportunity to run through it as they want. Some persons have the hand up, but they don't. Guys, if you don't want to present, don't keep up the hand up, alright? Because when I click on you, you're not responding. Reggie,
Sir,
come on, go ahead.
I did the same as her.
Okay, alright. Let me see David now. David, I've still on my inbox. But I'm not seeing David in this one. David, how am I gonna find you? I don't see any David in this one. Oh, I see it. I see it, David. I see it. Alright, go ahead, David.
Sir, the answer for 11, sir, the answer is A.
A.
Yes, sir.
Oh, let's you're
Sir,
doing. Alright, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
sir, so there's nothing over the 7 and the 0, sir. So just put that back down, sir. Then after 3 nines, 20, 27, sir. Then after you put the 7 and carry
What we
over
doing? What we doing for 11?
11, sir.
What we doing? Because I only hear say put back and then I hear a
No,
thing.
sir. What is 69 times 3? 0.07, sir.
Yeah, so walk me through that process though.
Sir, there's nothing over the 0.07, sir. So you put that back down, sir.
Alright, so right back 307.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I did that. What's next?
Then after you put the point down, sir, then the decimal point. Then after you go over to the 3 times 9, sir, and 3 times 9 is 27. You put the 7 down, then after you carry over the 2, then 3, 6, 18, add 2 to that, and it's 20. Yeah, 20. So the answer is 207.07, which is A.
Alright, thanks so much. Let me hear another opinion.
You want me to tell him?
Go ahead, man.
Sir, I think his opinion is wrong, sir.
Alright, go ahead. Why you
Oh,
say it's wrong?
think
No,
of.
you give us the solution, and then we can discuss.
My name is Rashida, sir.
Hi, Rashida. Good to meet you. Welcome.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
So think of 3.7 as 3 to 0 plus 0.07. Multiply 69 times 3 equals 207. Then we're going to multiply.
Walk us through the process.
Walk us through.
Yeah.
Alright, so.
Alright, start back over.
So now.
Start back over.
Or start back over.
Yes.
And then we're going to do 69 times 3.
No, yes, sir. So if you delete that.
So delete that wrong something.
You set it up different.
Supposed to do point.
Alright. So just 69 times 3 alone?
Alright. Then if you clear everything.
Clear everything, sir.
I did.
Yes.
Clear everything, yes. Now, alright, so 3 plus 0 point.
Look where you do.
Okay, think of 3.8.7 as 3 plus 0.8.7. Multiply 69 times 3, which is 207. 200, alright, so 69 times 0.07 equals 4.83. Because 69 times 7 is 400.
Times by 9.
69 times 3. You have to put that yesterday.
Yes, sir. That's what I said.
Okay.
Okay. No.
Oh, yes, sir. I used to something on here.
No, we're going to add 207 plus 4.83, which is 211.83. So 69 times 307 is 211.83.
All right. So your answer would have been B then, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let me see if somebody else agree with that. Thanks so much. Yeah. What's your name again? I think Raji, some R name. Thanks so much. Some people join with the code instead of the name by mistake.
Sir,
Yeah, go ahead, Demarcus.
sir, my answer was B as well because the same thing that he did, 69 times 3.07, sir. But what I did, instead of using the decimal point, I took away the decimal point and just multiplied the
Yeah, walk us through.
69.
Walk
So
us through first.
so I would just say that I'm multiplying 69 by 307.
Walk us through it, step by step. Go ahead.
So what I did to multiply decimals, when I'm multiplying decimals, take away the decimal point. So I would say 69 times 307. So I'd write it like how you have it there. And then after that, I would multiply that and my answer. You want me to like do how I
Yeah,
multiplied
yeah,
it?
that's what I'm saying. Just multiply it. Tell us 9, 7, whatever.
Nine
Yeah.
sevens would be 63. So
Mhm.
you write 3 and carry over the 6. 9 times 0, 0 plus 6. So you write down the 6. And 9 times 7, 27. And then I put a placeholder. And then I multiplied 7 by 6. And I would get 42. And then you carry over the 4. 6 times 0, 0 plus 4. I write down the 4. And then I said 6 times 3 would be 18. So I wrote 18. And then I added, so I would say 3 plus 0 give you 3. 6 plus 2 give you 8. 7 plus 4 give you 11. 1 carry 1. 2 plus 8 equal 10 plus 1 equal 11. Carry over the 1, you get 2. And then after I finish multiplying, I would add back the decimal point to the amount of decimal places that were in the original number. So there were 2 decimal places in 3.07. So I'd put 2 digits behind the decimal point. So I would put the decimal point in front of the 8 and behind the 11. And your final answer would be 211.83.
All right. So both of you got the same thing. The thing with this, Israel, what you keep calling me? All right. Thanks so much, everyone. I think the thing with this, there was a little error with this one though. So that kind of throw it out. So the 207 would not be the correct answer. But I agree that it would have been this one. All right. Israel, we skip out number 8. All right. Look at this one, guys. I gave one like this in Saturday classes today. A bottle of medicine holds 20 centiliters. How many 0.5 centiliter measure of medicine is in this? Israel, I'm not gonna know what number 5 would have it. When class done, I can school go back, alright? I don't remember. Right, let's see if we can figure this one out. We are at number 12. Agree Cayenne, agree Alia, agree Joshua, agree Demarcus, agree Shaheen. That's for number 12, you know. I disagree with a few persons for number 12, number 12. Check back, guys, check back. They didn't hear your name. Disagree with you. Okay. All right, work it out, guys. Look like some persons need more time. Shaheen, I agree with yours. DeMarcus, Kayin, Alia, Joshua, Israel Brian, I agree with you for 12. Keandra, you say C4. I don't know what that is. Please clarify. Put the number and then the letter. Correct, Danilo. Good job. Correct, Sanjay. Correct, Katila Harris. The person with the 3370 number, correct as well. I didn't get that person name. Correct, Altia. Correct, War. Correct, Omarian. Correct, Gray. Kesania, correct. Rick Ain, correct. Adi, correct. Latanya, correct as well. Anjuan, correct. Sakina, do them one at a time. Don't confuse, eh? Raheem, correct. Jeremiah, correct. It's not Norman. Shani, correct. Nadia, text back your answer, please. Kira, correct. Mia Lawrence, correct. The person with the 299 number, correct. Sherman, no. Owan. Who forgot your name, correct? You are correct. Courtney Brown, Azaria, correct. Not Sanjay. Sage. Yo, I could have, that's literally all my name. Kimani, correct. That's literally all my son name spelling is Sanjay. I didn't know, sorry. So it's Sage. Sanjae, Sage. All right, let me go in the chat now and then we can have a few persons after this. So Kalilia Price, correct. Nalia Walker, correct. It was in the chat. Others is a bit off, you know. Owen, Ledford, correct. I think I have you put it in the chat WhatsApp as well. Those are the only ones that I see correct in the chat. Abrams, yours is correct as well. Owen, I said that already. I'm just going over, guys. I just don't want to miss anyone. Abrams, correct. Price, correct. Abrams. I think that's it for number 12 in the chat. Guys, I can't take any calls. Please, here, guys. Oh, Rashida, I did check it, you know. Check it again. Courtney Brown. All right, some people gone on 13. We are 12, guys. Just 12. We're doing it one at a time, all right? Let me put somebody on the floor. Thanks, Laura. But don't send the image here. The image much harder. This person, when name Katie, who is that? Go ahead. Who's Katie? I didn't get a person named Katie. All right, Chelsea, go ahead. Not getting Chelsea either. Guys, I'm gonna lower all the hands and then those who actually want to to actually go. Alright? Because everybody's putting up their hand, and when I call them, nobody's responding. Alright, go ahead, Latanya. I think this is Ariana. Go ahead, Latanya.
So, sir, for question 12, it said a bottle of medicine holds 20 centiliters. How many 0.5 centiliter measures a medicine is this? So, sir, I got C, 40 for my answer. I got 40. I said, what is 1 centiliter, which is 1. So I said, since 0.5 make 1, I said, since 0.5 make 1, I just multiply 2 times 20 to get my answer, 40.
Alright, Rashanti, you want to go? Guys, if you want to go, you can call me, guys, because it's a disruptive class, alright? Literally, put it on my status. I can't take any call. Number 13, what is 0.6 times 0.04? Guys, those who don't want to go, please take down your hands so the class can go smooth, alright? Alright, Kyan. Only Kyan one I saw. I haven't seen anyone else. Take one, correct. Guys, just type it in instead of take the pic, alright? It's much easier. Alright, Katila Harris. I literally just see it just like that. It come on my computer. Windows person. Alright, Deandra. Cool. I don't know that person name. Alright, Danilo. But that person got it correct. Alright, Jeremiah. Alright, Krashina. Alright, Akara. Akara, 13 and Selena are 40. Thirteen within 13. Alright, Joshua. Alright, Demarcus. Alright, Ricky. Alright. Alright, Latanya. Alright, Jeremy. Good job. I'm putting up a quick book. Alright, Nalia. Alright, Jaden. Colette Azaria. Alright, Laura. Sanjay, 12 video, no, 12. Not Sanjay, Siege, 12 video. Check it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, no, confuse me. We're actually the 13, not 12, 13. Correct. Love, Kamaya, love. Correct, Chelsea. Correct, Sage. Rejan, don't send the pic. Correct, Ramesh. Asia. Israel, correct as well. Correct, Mia and Ramesh, along with Asia. I'm going to take a quick look in at the chat and then we can discuss. All right. Please remember, put the number, guys. Some persons correctioning, some persons not putting the number, so it's kind of difficult for me. I'm just gonna ignore those just because it don't make sense. Because if I don't know which number you're answering, I can't know if it's correct or not. 13 we at, guys. Those persons sending 14, just wait a bit, alright? We don't want to run left the class. Alright, OR correct, price correct. Guys, now repeat it, man. Don't make any sense when I repeat. Correct, Audi. 340 correct. That's Helia. Good job, Helia, for 13. Lopez correct. Good job. I'm going to put somebody on the floor, and that is going to be Tiana. Why, Tiana? I'm not sure if this is somebody new. First, I'm seeing that name. There's a next Tiana, but her name is spelled with H. You're new, Tiana?
Yes, sir.
Okay, alright. Welcome. Go ahead. The answer go on there, backbone, man. Go ahead, Tiana. Tiana, go ahead. Not hearing.
Sir, A.
You got for 13?
A.
Alright. Where you got it? You want to share?
Sir,
Yeah, man, go ahead.
sir, multiply 6 4, which is 24.
Okay. We didn't consider the decimal point. You don't think that would affect it? The decimal point. Alright. Thanks so much. We can take our next person quickly. Thanks so much, Tiana. Tiana thinks
Yes,
it's
sir.
A. Let's see if the next person will agree. Guys, see if I can get a little more quiet though, so you can hear what's going on. Joanne, Miss Joanne here.
Sir,
What's your answer? You got A.
sir, I got D.
Oh,
Sir, sir, I multiplied 4 times 6, which is 24. Yeah, which is 24. So you would put down the 4 and carry the 2. 4 into 0 would cause 0 times, plus the 2 would make 2, which is 24. The others would be 0 times 6, which is 0. 0 times 0 is 0.
and then 0 times 6 again, 0. 0 times 0 is 0. And that will give you 0, 0, 2, 4. So because of the decimal points, the first one, 0.6, has one decimal place, and the second one, which is 0.04, has two decimal places. So you would add those two up, which would make three decimal places, and you would move three decimal places in your answer, which would give you 0.024.
All right, thanks. Let me get our next opinion. Thanks so much, Akara.
Sir,
Yeah, go ahead.
sir, I was basically going to say the same thing.
Let's say the same thing. Just say it.
Okay, sir. So since 6 times 4 is 24, right? So
Mhm.
0.66 has one decimal place, while 0.04 has two decimal place. So you'll add 2 plus 1, which gives you 3. So the answer you get should be at 3 decimal places, and that's D.
All right. Yeah,
Yes.
other zero. Yeah, I agree with that. Someone is saying, why is the answer A? I did not say the answer was A. I simply put whatever students pick. All right. Even if I think it's incorrect, I still have to, you know, yeah, you can't just not, you can't just ignore somebody answer. All right. I guess those persons are new. Whenever somebody attempt the question, guys, we still put their option, right? Because their opinion matters. All right, so it wouldn't be 24. And think about it. If 4 times 6 is 24, 0.6 is a fraction, right? So there's no way it's going to be the same thing. This could not be 24 because these are fractions or decimal, right? So as the other two persons presented, we can just simply multiply 4 times 6 and then count the total number of decimal places, which is how many number come after the decimal point. So it would be 1 plus 2, total of 3. So this answer should have 3 decimal places. So we say 1, 2, we need to add an next 0 to get 3. So that would have been D. All right, let's move on to 14. Guys, please send them in 1, 1. Just imagine, guys, there's a lot of persons on it. So we don't want to confuse it. We're doing it one at a time together. Persons can get feedback. If somebody gets it incorrect, guys, we can't just ignore that person answer and we still have to give that person a feedback. Alright? It's not about the right answers per se. Alright? Still have to cater to them. As we want everybody to get it. Correct, Kylie. I don't remember that person name. Correct, Katilia Aris. Correct, Kyle. Those who send over the 14 have to send it back, please. The ones who send it from a long time with the 13. I was just focusing on 13 at the time. Correct, Sakina. Correct, Shaheen. Raji, I think I disagree with that, though. Agree, Ramesh. Jake one correct. DeMarcus correct. Who is Bree? Correct, Azaria. Courtney. Atexia. Courtney and Texia as well. Kanik, I agree with yours. Ecclesiastin. What? How you pronounce your name? Eccleston or oh Lord, guys, give me a last name. I cannot manage that. Correct, Shani. Correct, Ori. Correct, Kylie. The answers coming in slow on this one, though, guys. I'm not lying. Correct, Ricky. Correct, Raheem. Correct, Gray. That's Caleb. Correct, Kelila. All right. So, guys, the answer dried up in WhatsApp. So, I'm going to check it again, Sanjay. I'm going to go over to the chat. My name is Tori K. Clayton. Oh, Tori K. I didn't see it. Sorry. I probably see your mom name. So, Ariana Powell, correct. Kimani. Kimani wanted to the 13. I didn't see Kimani. All right. Let me call out again. Price correct. Xavier Pino correct. Price, you're typing it two place, man. That's confusion. All right, those are the only person in the chat that got it correct. That person name CR7. You can change your name, please. Correct, Jaden. Correct, Laura. Guys, I can't call you CR7. I don't have CR7 on my list. I just checked. I do have Messi on my list, though. All right, let's see if I can get Akara to explain this one. Go ahead, Akara. The Marcus said he agreed. Go ahead, Akara. We're not hearing.
Sir, are you hearing me now?
Yeah, we are hearing you now. All right. Yeah.
Okay, sir. So since it said, let's find the total cost of 1.5 kg of tomatoes at $4.68 per kg. So, sir, first I multiplied 1.5 by 4.68 and I got 7.02. And then it says, and 0.75 kg of grapes at 18.60 per kilogram. So I multiplied 0.75 times 18.60, which gives me 13.95. And then I add that to the 7.02 I got before and my, wait, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
go ahead.
wait, so first, wait, sir, my screen is blanking out. 1.5 times the 4.68, I got 7.02, and then 0.75 times 18.60,
What you got?
I got
13.95, and then I add the 7.02, and I got $20.97.
All right.
Sir, so my answer was C.
All right. But you said, oh, 7. Okay. Yeah, I agree.
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Yeah, Deandra, that is correct. You guys are so brilliant. Parents must be proud of you guys. All right. A customer buys 2 packs of spice buns that cost $4.40 each, and 1 jar of coffee that costs $9.44. How much change did the customer receive from $20? Yeah, you have to be careful. I agree. You have to be careful when you make mistake. All right? Agree, Marcus, with your answer. We're at 15 now. Good job, Mekai, on the last. All right, Asia. Guys, I can't listen to voice note now, please. Just text me whatever you're saying, guys. It goes on the class. Yeah, just text it to me. All right, Kira. All right, Azaria. All right, Kiandra. Or Abrams. Armani Abrams, correct. I just got your name now. Kelila, correct. Good job. In from class. All right, McCain. That's not what that person name, you know. It's Rickon, right? All right, Katina Harris. Zayn Morrison, correct. Shaheen, correct. Lasagna, correct. Love, I don't know which number you're answering. It's so confusing to all of you. So you can just type the number and then the letter. All right, Cayenne. All right, Ricky. Rickon. All right, Laura. All right, there's no new one. All right, Katila Lopez. Spencer, correct. All right, let me put down somebody from the floor. We're gonna go into some fractions now, guys. Rickon, go ahead. And I know that's not your name. You don't pronounce like that. How you pronounce it?
Rishan.
Rishan. Yeah. Rishan. Go ahead, Rishan.
So it says a customer buys 2 packs of spice buns that cost $4.40 each, and 1 jar of coffee that costs $9.44. Since it says that 2 packs cost $4.40 each, so you would have to add $4.40 plus $4.40, which would give you $8.80. And 1 jar of coffee costs $9.44. So you would add that to the $8.80, which would give you $18.24. Then you would subtract $20. You would subtract $20 and $18.24, which would give you $1.76.
All right. Well explained. Very good. All right. So, guys, she said she subtracted the 1824 from that to give us the answer. All right. Simple maths. Good job, bro. Very good job. 2156 plus 1 1/4. That's the answer for that. 2156 plus 1 1/4. Make I put the number, please. Guys, if you don't put the number, how am I going to know which one will be? So we're at number 16 now. Agree Sanjay, agree Alia, agree Marcy, agree C, agree Chelsea, Shaheen, agree, Shanique, agree. Oh, somebody say, oh, can they send in your answer? Just WhatsApp me. You just type it in. Like, for example, if you think is 13, like over there 16, if you think is A, just type 16A. All right, Jeremiah. All right, Kylie. Just type it in. All right, we're not going past 8:30. All right, Ushi. All right, Walk. All right, Yandra. All right, Audie. All right, Daniel. Charlton. All right, Andron. All right, Kira. All right, Kyle. All right, Gray. That's Kelly. Kaylin. Correct, Brian. Correct, Italia. Correct, Orlando. This is not jazz. It takes me a name. Let me see how old this. Not jazz, not jazz. Hold on. It's Nairobi Toad. Fantasia. Correct, Fantasia. Correct, Israel Brian. Alright. Correct, Kefila Aris. Let me see in the chat now, guys, and then we'll see if we can get a volunteer. Jamal, just rename yourself, alright? Correct, Rashida. Normally, I do only 10 persons without the name, you know, guys, but because I'm Martin, I know not everyone know the rules, so I'll let you in. But you can rename yourself. Because when I see Samsung, I can't know who it is. Correct, Pino. That's Xavier Pino. Abrams as well. Alright, let me just call on someone now, guys. I'm just gonna call on a name that I haven't called on it. Xavier. You want to do this one, Xavier?
Okay, sir.
Mm.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. So the question solve 2 and 5, 6 plus 1 and 1, 4. So you put 2 and 5, 6 plus 1 and 1, 4, and then you draw a line at the bottom and then put a plus in the middle, well, in the center. And then first you add the whole numbers, which are 2 and 1, and that will equal to 3. So you put a equal sign, and that would equal to 3 at the side. No, sir. Can you please rub out that 3 that you put beside the plus sign?
Very pretty cool.
Thank you, sir. So now at the
Where should
right
the tree
equal
go?
sign, you put a 3.
Here?
Sir, can you please repeat that?
Here what, the tree?
No, sir, at the bottom where the line is.
Here?
No, sir.
I had it here already.
No, sir, not there.
Where?
The right equal sign. Where the right equal sign is at the bottom.
The right equal sign, which is here. Hold on. Here?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And sir, can you please remote that 3 at the bottom as well? Thank you. So now you would put a line beside it.
Which is
We
it?
also call the fraction bar. And
As in
now,
beside the tree?
yes, sir. And now you'd say which number 6 and 4 can go into, which is 24. So you put 24 at the bottom of the line. And then 6 into 24 goes 4 times. So you'd say 5 times 4 equals 20. And you'd put the 20 at the bottom. And now 4 into 20 goes 5 times. So you'd say 5, 1. Oh, sorry, sir, 24. So, you'd say 4 into 24 goes 6 times. So you'd say 6, 1, 6, and you put the 6 at the bottom as well. And now 20 plus 6 equals 26. And then you put the 24 as the denominator. So now you'd say 2 into 26 goes 13 and 2 into 24 goes 12. So it'd be equal to 12 over 13. So now,
Yeah, 12 over
sir,
13.
no, sir, 13 over 3 and 13 over 12.
Oh, true.
And now, sir, you write back the 3, the 13 over 12, at, and then, sir, you'd say 12 into 13 goes 1 time, and then that 1, you'd add it to the 3, and you get 4. And now the new answer will be 4 and 112.
All right. I agree. Next up, solve 2138 minus 1 and 1 4. All right, Latanya says she wanted to go. So Latanya will go for 70, right? Oh, guys, this will end here. We have about, approximately 15 minutes. So some person said that they're tired. I know, guys, I know. I'm tired too. I've been teaching from 9 o'clock, so just imagine that. I know. It's rough. Usually, I would end it 8 o'clock, but I just wanted, yeah, it's the very last one, so I wanted to put on the extra half an hour. So just bear with me, guys, all right? All right, thanks so much, guys. Thanks so much. Somebody said they're trying their very best to stay awake. Thanks so much. I really appreciate that. Correct, Jeremiah. And I know that's why I did some mistakes with creeping when I get tired, right? Correct, Jaden. Ekistan. What you pronounce the last name? Ekistan or Eccleston? Azaria correct as well. For 17. Asia correct as well. Israel Brian. Mekai correct. Joshua correct. Latanya correct. I think correct. Deborah correct. Sage. So me get your name. Correct. Delia or Anderson. That's not the person name. That's the mom name. But I know it. Correct, Kesania. Correct, Roger. Correct, Payne. Guys, when me done class, me literally just go sleep. Let me show you. I'm tired with ID. Yeah, man, you can go ahead. That's Daniela Thompson. Okay, yeah. Israel, why you keep calling me class, January? Correct, Sakina. 340, yeah. Correct, Katina. Correct, Brian. You see what happened, guys? The person that do class with me, they used to 2 hours, They are time they kind of used to. All right, Kelia, no problem. All right. I'm gonna try to put a volunteer. I see Ariana. Oh wait, who's that? Go ahead, Ariana.
Sir, I had my hand up from a long time ago.
All right. Yes, it's going to take too long to call and just imagine a lot of hands up there. Go ahead, Latanya.
Okay, sir. So number 17 said solve 2/8, subtract 1 and 1/3. So put 2 and 3/8, subtract 1 and 1/3. So first, sir, we will look for the least common multiple, which is 24. Alright, so sir, I'm going to say 1 from 2 because we just get rid of the whole number. No, sir. Yeah, the one just right there. So now, sir, we're going to say 8 into 24 goes 3 times. So we're going to say 3 times 3 equivalent to 9. Sir?
Yeah, man, I wrote it.
And put subtraction. And then we're going to say 3 into 24 goes 8 times. 8 times 1, 8. Alright, so now, sir, we're going to subtract 8 from 9. So which is going to leave back 1. So our overall answer will be 1 and 1 over 8. So the answer is 8.
It's a 1 and 1 over 8?
Question? Repeat?
I think you said 1 and 1 over 8. That's what you said?
1 and 1 over 24, I mean.
Oh, this is here. All right. It's correct. You get me nervous to come and say, where you get that? All right, 18, guys, quickly. All right, Sage. Well, as long as I get the correct answer, that's what I want. We could have multiplied out 12, right? I agree with me and Lawrence. I think that's the rest of persons choose a different answer. But I don't think it's right. Just looking at it, yeah, I think it's agree with me. Most persons choosing a particular answer, and I think I know why. I disagree with those answers that I'm seeing. I agree with this person as well, which is Jaden. So Mia and Jaden, I agree with you both. Not many persons choose that. Alia as well, Daniels as well, Chelsea as well. I agree with all of those persons. Shahian as well. All right. Who is KT? Keep asking over. I disagree with most of my answers, guys. Unfortunately, for the first time today, more persons got a question incorrect. Good thing so we soon finish. Very few persons got this one, guys. All right, Kylie. Mia, you want to walk us through this one?
Yes, sir.
All right, go ahead.
So, sir, the first thing I did was to convert the mixed fraction. So I said 5 times 4, which is 20, plus the 2, which is 22 over 5. Then I changed the 3.5 to an improper fraction as well, which is 2 times 3, which is 6, and 1, 7 over 2. Then I found the LCM, lowest common multiple, for the both of them, which is 10.
Very good.
So how much time can 5 go into 10? 2 times. 2 times the 22 would be 44. And then how much time can 2 go into 10? That would be 5 times, then times the 7, which would be 35. Then I said 44 subtract 35, which equals 9 over 10.
Yeah.
And there's your answer.
Yeah. All right, guys. Thanks so much, Mia. So most persons chose this, and I know what they did, and know what you guys did. It's incorrect, guys. Let me tell you why. You said 3 from 4, leave 1. And then you put 2/5 here, and you take away half. That's why I teach my students this to change it to that, because not all the time the fraction is going to be bigger. And then you say 5 into 10, 2 times. And you go ahead and you say 2 2's 4. And you say 2 into that 5. And you say you take away and you get 1. No, guys. Because this would be a negative 1. So you can do it like this and convert it, just like what me I did here. Because when we're in regular class, that's what we do. We convert it. Alright? I think this might be the last one for today. If we can go to 20, it will be good. Let's see. Thanks so much, Mia. That was well done. And I got that to the thing, guys. And I got that to that. All right. 19 says solve 3 and 1/8 times 2 and 2/3. Most of the new students, they say they're not used to the long class. Normally, 2 hours you do doing, guys. It's really long for you. With the 2 hours one time a week, so it's going to come up with. Oh, I can learn the conversion, alright? Think I agree with you, Jeremiah. I agree with Marcus. Let me just put somebody for me. Guys, we just have fair rules. We want to reach the 20, and I don't want to keep it over the 2 hours. So let me see if Jeremiah willing to explain. Can't find Jeremiah because we don't have him name there. I'm going to call somebody else. Alright, so the Marcus are volunteering. Why we can't find the Marcus either? Do something wrong. Oh, a DA name. Alright, go ahead, Marcus.
Yes, sir. It says solve 3 and 1/8 times 2 and 2/3. So, sir, what I did, I converted it into an improper fraction. So I'd say 3 times 8 would be 24. So I'd write 25 over plus 1 would be 25 over 8. And then 2 times 3 would be 6 plus 2 would be 8 over 3. And then I just multiplied. So I would say 25 times 8, and I got 200. And then 8 times 3, 24. So it would be 200 over 24. And then I canceled. So I'd say 24 into 200. That would go 10. 24 into 200. 200 into, no, 24 into 200, yeah. And that would be 8. And then you would subtract the product of 24 by 8 from 200, and you would get 8. So the whole number would be 8, and then the remainder would be 2. No, the remainder would be 8. Sorry, and that would be 8 over 24. And then I would simplify that. So I would say 8 into itself 1, and then 8 into 24 3. So I would say 8 and 1/3.
Yeah, well, Penny, whenever this comes up, cancel 8. You know, easy enough, bro. What I go with Penny? It's correct, though. Good job, good job. Nothing is wrong with that.
I didn't see that. I didn't see it.
Yeah, man, it's okay, it's okay. I encourage my students to multiply it across because sometimes they will double cancel. Like they divide the number twice. So guys, this is the last one for today. Solve 3 and 1/5 divided by a half. All right. So I'm just gonna find someone to explain this one, guys. Thank you guys so much for coming out. I know I didn't get to call on every single one. Guys, so many people sign up last minute. Even I had no idea what number I was gonna get because for the last hour, persons were just sending me the banking info with the payment and say, sir, I just paid. So every marathon that happened, guys, even though I put it out a long time and I said, guys, please sign up early. But eventually everyone came on. But you know, it all get me unsettled. Israel Brian. I'm put Israel Brian on the floor, guys, because Israel Brian calling me right through the class time. He's not on. I don't see him. Yeah, Israel. You're on the class?
Bro, skibidi dope dope.
Oh, sir.
Sir, for the answer is
Bro,
the answer.
I send you mine.
no, wait, no, bro. Sir's doing something.
Guys, I'm supposed to go
Answer
first because
C.
the answer is C.
All stop. Everyone stop.
5.
Oh,
So I know.
Sorry,
Can I
answer
do this one?
wondering answer.
I started first. Answer was the one who picked me. Sir, can I continue? Okay. Number 20. This is sub 3 1/5 divided by 1 2. So we're going to first divide them. So first we're going to have 3 and 1/5 turned into an improper fraction. So 315 equals 16.5. 16.5 divided by 1.5 equals 16.5 multiplied by 2 over 1 equals 32.5, which gives us 625.
All right.
So
I agree, Brian.
answer is B. No, not
I
B.
agree.
It's C.
Yeah. All right, guys. So take care, guys. Hope you guys get some rest now. I know you guys must be tired. So get some rest and we will talk tomorrow. Israel
Bye,
Brian,
sir.
we're gonna go up to number 8. You don't have to call me back now.
Bye, sir.
Yeah. Bye guys.
Bye,
Bye, sir.
Bye guys.
Bye,
All the best, guys. All the
sir.
best. Oh my God.
Bye,
All the
sir.
best. I think you guys are ready. Sir, stay calm and do
See
your
you
thing.
for the exam. Have a good
Yes,
day.
Stanley.
All right. Yeah. We did not do
Jada
number
like it,
8, guys.
Stanley.
It's not on your syllabus.
Jada like it, Stanley.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Take care. Happy birthday. Take care. Big up
Excuse me,
everyone.
sir.
Bye.
Hmm? Number 8 is not on our syllabus, all right?
Sir, can
See,
you go back to
children?
number 12?
Blah blah
Number
blah blah.
12.
12, please.
What up?
Number 12.
Bye,
Oh,
sir.
bye. Take
Bye,
care.
sir.
Blah 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 blah.
Bye,
Yeah,
sir.
take
Bye,
care.
everyone.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Yeah, man. Take care, the Marcus. Take care, guys. All
Bye,
the best.
sir.
I want to call
Bye.
you.
Bye,
Yeah,
sir.
all right. Tomorrow, guys.
Bye.
Bed now. Guys, me I teach from 9 a.m. I'm only get
Okay,
for 2
sir.
hours. Yeah.
Good night, sir.
Good night. Take care. Thanks for coming
Goodbye.
out, guys. All the best. Can't wait to celebrate with you guys. All right.
Bye, sir.
Yes,
Bye.
sir.
Take care. Yeah. Yeah, I can post it if you
Bye,
guys
sir.
want. Bye. Take care. Tomorrow I'm post it though. I'm tired, guys. Tomorrow.
Sir, my mother will call you.
Okay.
All right. All right. No problem.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Jade.
Same time tomorrow, right?
Oh, we don't have class tomorrow. To that last day. I will
Sir,
have class
scroll up to
Tuesday.
14, little.
I will have class Tuesday though.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Just
Okay,
gonna
sir.
make
Thank you.
Tuesday make everybody come.
Yeah, class
Sir,
Thursday.
scroll up to
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thursday. No man, the persons who in grade 4 and 5, we still have our class, but I'm talking for the grade 6. They will have
Sir.
exam Thursday.
They must know.
Yeah, man,
Okay,
you can,
sir.
yeah, but we're gonna have
Sir,
our regular class.
sir, scroll on to 14 and so please before you go.
Oh, that person didn't see it. 14.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, no problem.
Sir,
All right, good night.
sir.
Okay, but
There's a find the
Sorry.
total cost of 1.5 kilogram
Mm-hmm.
of at 2 meters, 4.68 per kilogram, and 0.75 kilogram of weight at $18.60 per kilogram. And this was the answer. All right, so take care, everyone.
okay, bye, sir. Have a
All
good
right,
night.
take care. Yeah.
Sir.
Yeah, you're
Bye,
ready.
sir.
Is there going to be another marathon Tuesday?
Just regular class I was gonna have. But if persons want to come, we can come and we'll do more. We'll continue this paper if they want. I don't have a problem.
Sir. Sir, can you teach us vice versa
Vice versa. What's
Tuesday?
that?
I saw you did
Bye, sir.
Oh, probability.
probability is vice versa, sir?
That you're talking probability?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, man, that's what we're gonna be doing.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
sir.
take care. Yeah. All right, guys, take care. See you guys soon, all right? Tuesday.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. Hey, Paul, are you feeling about the exam? Confident?
Yes, sir.
All right, go and do your best, man. All right, let's go and do your best, and proud of you guys. You guys are ready. Just have to read and do your thing, and you guys will get. Many persons will get 40 out of 40 as well.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.